Hey, what's up, guys? It's me. I'm back again, and I need to talk about. I didn't realize the last video I made, the last video tutorial I made. I didn't realize that it clocked over 2 hours. I was just implementing some XML code, adding some comments to make the XML code more manageable and things like that. And yeah, lo and behold, the whole video clocked in about 2 hours. And a thing like that. I think I was tired that day. I didn't even notice that I was tired, but definitely I was tired. Then yeah, the new timetable is usable, but lights come around 10 p.m. Then the lights go around 4. So you're seated on the computer around 2 a.m. in the morning, and it's cold. Okay, so where my machine is located, there's usually like some code draft there and things like that. So it is a necessary timetable because at least I've been able to cover a lot of videos. I did like 2 other videos before that one. So the one before that one went okay. Then the earlier one, that is from the timetable from, is it last week? The timetable from last week, I did that one. So I had to break down that video into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. I was recording, there was noise outside, the kids were playing, there was noise outside, they're running around the whole yard and seeing people knocking at the door, opening the door. So I had to break the video down into segments. Then when I broke it down into segments, I had to connect it back together again in the video editor. Now the problem in the video editor, the compression scheme algorithm works in the opposite direction from the compression scheme algorithm for the video capture software. So those videos were maxing in at 50 megabytes each. So 5 times 5, that would be 250 MB. Now you come and edit them in the video editor. You select the option of high quality, 1080p. Of course, you select that option. You edit out the stuff that you don't need. Put in some splash screen wallpapers like the title of the video, wallpaper of the thumbnail, sorry, the title of the video. Then the thumbnail towards the end of the video saying, thanks for watching. Okay, so end screen, thumbnail say thanks for watching like that. So you come and edit everything together, package it to 1080p. So sometimes the video move like from collectively the files were captured all together to 50 MB. So they'll go and balloon all the way to, or expand all the way to 800 MB, all the way to 1 gig. I know it's just my video editor. That's how it works, and and stuff like that. So after that, the following week came. I got some unlimited internet. So that unlimited internet I got turns out wasn't so flexible. You can only use it on the phone. When nighttime comes, you're trying to upload videos online. Like I had which was that video? Okay, the first video based on this series here. That one was over 3 gigs. So I had spent like the entire last week, each and every one of the days from last week, all the way up to the first 2 days in this week trying to upload that video online, but it just wasn't giving in. So the last time I uploaded, I just left it running because it was uploading slow. So I've been thinking to switch ISPs. So let me end this video here. I'll catch you guys in another one. Remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of when new videos land. And peace. Let me end this one here.